What is EDDM? Everydoor Direct Mail, or EDDM, is a service offered by the U.S. Postal Service that delivers your postcards to every home along specific postal routes. We've integrated with their service, making UPrinting your one-stop shop for every step of the process. EDDM is a simple, cost-effective alternative to direct mail that delivers your postcards to every home within a neighborhood, even without your own mailing list. To get started, choose your postcard size, paper type, and target delivery date. Then click Choose Route to find the area you'd like to target. Once the page loads, find your delivery area by entering a zip code or address. Hovering over each area will show the demographic information for that route, including average age, income, and household size. Click on every zone you want to include in your mailing. Once you've selected your delivery zones, click Continue to Next Step to return to the product page and upload your designs. All files get reviewed by our print specialists, but you can choose to get a free PDF proof before we print your postcards. Once approved, we'll print the cards and bring them to the post office, where they'll be ready for their designated delivery route. We'll notify you once the delivery has been completed. It's that easy. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to mail EDDM postcards on your own, select Print Only on the product page so we can print and send them directly to you. Get started on your EDDM campaign today.